हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन योर पीडिया एजुकेशन। सो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे आपको पता है योर पीडिया इज बेसिकली गिविंग यू द फास्टेस्ट अपडेट ऑन CCMT 2021। सो हेयर यू कैन सी अगेन, बेसिकली मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले अपलोड किया था CCMT के रिगार्डिंग वीडियो, एंड यहाँ पे भी अपडेट है आपको दैट नंबर ऑफ सीट्स कितनी है वेकेंट उसकी लिस्ट आ चुकी है एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन आपका कल होगा। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं टेंटेटिव सीट वैकेंसी बिफोर स्पेशल राउंड। तो इसको आप बड़े ध्यान से देखो एंड उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आप यहाँ पे basically you have to choose the options that you have to fill. So here you can see that NIT Jalandhar is given, Jaipur is given, and Jaipur में काफ़ी seats हैं open, that Bhopal is there, okay, Allahabad is there, so we will see Agartala is there, Calicut is there, Delhi is there, Durgapur is there, Goa, Hamirpur is there, so Surthkal is there. Okay, so it may, here you can see Surthkal is a good NIT, I can say. So competition and data science, okay, 2 seats are there. Then chemical engineering, then construction technology and management, communication is there. So in every department I can say 1 to 2 seats. Here you can see like geoinformatics, here you can see 5 seats in geoinformatics, and then Meghalaya, Patna is there, Raipur is there, Sikkim is there, ओके, आंध्र प्रदेश इज़ देयर, जमशेदपुर इज़ देयर, कुरुक्षेत्र में काफ़ी सीट्स हैं यहाँ पे खाली, मणिपुर इज़ देयर, रौरकिला इज़ देयर, एंड देन सिलीचर इज़ देयर, एंड श्रीनगर इज़ देयर, त्रिचनापुरी, त्रिची इज़ देयर। ओके, त्रिची में भी काफ़ी सीट्स यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएंगी। हेयर यू कैन सी त्रिची डाटा एनालिटिक्स and Trichy communication 884, quite good seats are there. Okay, I can say Uttarakhand is there, Warangal, here you can see Warangal is there. Okay, so I can say in each and every NIT you will find some seats 1 to 2 and maximum 8 to 9 seats per branch, I can say. Okay, so friends, choose wisely that whatever the option you have to put, and my tip for you that जो भी आपको option लगता है that मेरे को मिल जाए, okay, whatever the option you want, actually, okay, it may be 1 option, it may be 2 option, it may be 3 option that you want. Just put that options in your priority list. Okay, not put any extra option like you putting 10 or 20 options. If you want to go to NIT Trichy and Warangal, then just put that, otherwise you will be satisfied whatever the seat you have got. Okay, and what is the benefit of basically choosing the preference according to that? Because if you got that seat that you actually want, like Warangal and Trichy, then you will definitely going to study there. Okay, you are definitely going to join there. But if you don't want that seat, if basically your score is not enough that you will get that seat, then you will not, basically I can say आपको कोई seat नहीं मिलेगा. If you not getting any seat in special round and you have already left the seat that you have got in regular round, then what is going to happen? Your whole fees, that is 30,000 plus 10,000, 40,000 fees will be refunded. Okay, and if you have got any seat in regular round that you have retained and you have not got that seat that is top NIT, that is Warangal or Trichy or Surthkal, then that seat is going to remain with you. Okay, so this is the criteria. But if you have filled, suppose if you have filled like any lower NIT, okay, in preference list, and you got that list, got that NIT in special round 1, then you reject and participate in special round 2. Now if you got anything in special round 2, then you have to take that. Okay, you have to take that. If you don't want to take that, don't take, but the fees, that is 40k, is not refundable. This is the only condition in which refund is not possible, that you got any seat in special round 2 and you don't want to go there, then you can left that seat, but the fees is non refundable. Okay, in that case refund आएगा या नहीं आएगा, it depend upon the seat जो आपको जिस इंस्टीट्यूट में मिला. Suppose you got seat in NIT Jalandhar, then NIT Jalandhar decide that they are going to refund your fees or not going to refund your fees. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section. I will try to answer each and every comment, and like the video, share the video with your friends, because it motivates us a lot to give you daily updates, quick updates and genuine updates. Thank you very much.